sisters. Okay, yeah, this is another thing. The most important duas are the morning adkar, the evening adkar, the night adkar, and there is dua almost for everything, my dear sisters. Every action has a dua. You know, when it rains, there is dua. When it thunders, there is dua. When the wind blows, there is dua. When a sweet wind comes, there is dua. Eating, drinking, standing, sleeping, waking up, going to the toilet, all of the things, there are duas. So, all the duas, I strongly recommend, my dear sisters, to do the morning and the evening adhkar. They are strong source of protection. See, when we fall sick, how we rush to the doctors, how much time, energy, efforts we waste. Inshallah, Allah will prevent that sickness only from coming to us. Allah will prevent that calamity encroaching upon our family and our children if we are having the fortress of a Muslim with us. If we are constantly making duas. Sisters, this is the book that I have shown here. And if you do not have the book, you can use the app. The app is titled Hisnul Muslim. If you enter the app, it shows the different morning adkar, evening adkar, night adkar. Just enter into that and start reading that. 10 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the morning, and 15 minutes in the evening is like ensuring yourself with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Put your heart and your mind, and it's all so beautiful what you're asking in those azkar, my dear sisters. So that is the morning, evening, and the night adkar. Now, there are dua for everything whatsoever. Like, for instance, do you know there's a dua when you feel lazy? And so many of us, we do feel lazy off and on. Easy dua when you feel, just once you have to recite, but you have to have your heart and your mind into it. And the dua is La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Subhanallah. Then, do you know there's a dua that we can recite when you have pain in the body? Yeah, there's a dua you can recite when you have pain in the body. And what is that dua? Just say Bismillah once, and then 3 times recite Auzu billahi wa kudrati min sharri ma ajidu o hadir. Subhanallah. All these are mentioned in the book, in the Hisnul Muslim. Then there is a dua when you fear. If you're afraid of something, when you fear something. In fact, we must teach our children right from childhood. Children fear. We must tell them, when you fear anything or anyone, what is the dua? What is the dua when we fear? La ilaha illallah. That's it. There is no God but Allah. Why do I need to fear anything? Allah is with me. So all you have to do is recite La ilaha illallah. Subhanallah. May Allah make us of those who can memorize, understand, implement, learn all these duas. And for the time being, until you do not know the Arabic, at least know the translation. So in our hearts, we can at least recite the translation. But make it a point, my dear sisters, to teach all our children all the basic duas, because it's easier learned as children. As children, we can learn it faster, inshallah.